So this week, me and Buck got the Rocky Road Outfitters kit to do the spring over axle for the Jeep. Still waiting on a couple of shocks, and I don't know what else we're waiting for. So we got the springs, the leaves, the shock towers, the bunch of stuff. So just went and got these 6 tons from Little Harbor Freight, and just got the tires off, stripping her down right now, seeing how she goes, and lubing everything up with some WD, trying to get these bolts off. His tires aren't light, this old setup. I'll take them out.
Oh, okay.
Good. What's that?
Oh, I just dropped the washer.
You ready?
Yeah.
2 down. I gotta move this forward.
Yeah, there you go. Good. Sweet. Actually, should we just put the nuts back on here?
Oh yeah.
So we don't have to worry about them?
Yeah. Didn't think about that. That's a smart move.
Yeah, because if we don't, it's like, where do we put them?
Yeah. It would have taken us another 30, 40 minutes to find these and tear the whole garage apart again.
What box did we put those in? Clear?
Everything goes better with lube.
Everything's better when wet. Isn't that a verses in a Van Halen song?
I think so.
So hopefully.
Got this one loose.
Yeah, but like you said, you've had that probably when they first came out.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a freaking Milwaukee, so that's good. Let go. Yeah.
How's that?
Nice and shiny. Sorry, I'm going right over center. There you go. And then we should do the same thing over here. Oops. Ready?
Yep. Lock and load. Yep.
Good.
She's airborne.
All right, now we can drop these.
That's what she said. All right. Is that
Oh, no, I'm good. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. There you go. Okay, now all the pressure's out
Like that?
here. Yeah. Hey, what do you know? Okay. Fuck, do the same thing over here.
Is that how you do it?
Yeah. No, you nailed it.
That's what she said. Oh shit! Fire!
Fire, fire.
Shit! Fire!
All right. Ready?
Yeah.
All right. It wants to go.
You want to try the bottom,
Yeah, I'll try the bottom.
or do you need a different size?
No, actually, that felt pretty loose. If this doesn't work, I can pound that out. You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's loose, man. Just gotta finesse a little bit here. Pry bar. Looks like this bottom one must come out. There you go. Okay, doing the top.
There we go.
There you go, you're pulling it up. Cool.
Want me just to hold onto it on this side?
Oh, we could. Well, I'm just thinking holding it and pulling these. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Drop it down. Is that too much? So we're going side to side. Hold on there for a second.
No hair I got. That's good.
Ready?
Yeah.
Done.
There we go.
Thanks. Which is correct.
All right.
You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what the fuck, dude?
Ah, look at that.
Hey, weird.
Well, so we had to, so we're all done with this weekend. On the first part of the list, we had to weld those on, front and back, so the Jeep wouldn't tilt one way or the other. Had to tack these on. Then we got some 6 tons in the middle, side to side. Then got the rear off. Oh, who's that?
That's me.
Is that Troy?
Yeah.
No shit.